how teens can make money with AI. Imagine a world where your laptop or phone isn't just a tool for social media and games, but a gateway to real income, starting today. AI isn't just a future technology. It's already here, reshaping jobs, industries, and the way money is made. For teens, this is a massive opportunity. While adults may be stuck in traditional jobs, you can leverage AI to earn, learn, and grow a financial foundation before most people even start thinking about careers. The best part? You don't need decades of experience, just curiosity, creativity, and a willingness to experiment. In this guide, we'll explore practical step-by-step ways for teens to make money with AI, from freelancing and content creation to automated services and side hustles that can scale over time. By the end, you'll understand not only what's possible, but how to start building income immediately. If you're enjoying this so far, make sure to like and subscribe, because what's coming next will blow your mind. Understand what AI can do. Before making money with AI, you must understand what it's truly capable of. AI tools can generate text, create images, automate repetitive tasks, and even analyze data faster than humans. This means tasks that once took hours can now be completed in just minutes, freeing time for more strategic or creative work. For teens, this opens a wide array of opportunities. Writing blog posts, designing digital art, creating social media content, developing chatbots, and offering AI consulting services to local or online clients. Think of AI as a superpower for your skills. It enhances what you can do, reduces repetitive work, and allows you to focus on high-value tasks that actually grow your skills and income potential. Start by experimenting with free AI tools available online. Platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E allow you to practice creating content, understanding prompts, and seeing what AI produces. The more familiar you become with AI's capabilities, the more ways you'll discover to monetize it. Early exploration builds confidence, expertise, and insight into how AI can solve real-world problems. Offer freelance services using AI. Freelancing is one of the fastest and most flexible ways for teens to start making money. The key is combining your existing skills with AI tools to deliver faster, higher-quality results. For example, content writing. Use AI to generate blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions for clients. You provide editing and human polish, ensuring quality, while AI handles bulk creation, which dramatically speeds up workflow. Graphic design. Tools like DALL-E or Canva's AI features can create images, logos, or marketing visuals in minutes. Offer affordable packages to small businesses, local clients, or online entrepreneurs who need creative solutions but don't have the budget for professional agencies. Video editing. AI can transcribe footage, generate captions, and even suggest cuts for video projects. Teens with basic editing skills can leverage AI to deliver polished videos faster, allowing them to take on multiple clients without compromising quality. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram or TikTok are excellent starting points. Begin with small projects, build a portfolio, and reinvest earnings to access better AI tools, expanding both quality and client potential. Over time, consistent freelancing can create a dependable revenue stream, teach professional skills, and position you as an early adopter in the AI-driven gig economy. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are ideal for teens because they scale infinitely with minimal ongoing effort. AI allows you to create ebooks, guides, art packs, templates, or music tracks faster than ever, providing a potential long-term income source. Ebooks and guides. Write short guides on trending or practical topics using AI to draft content. Add your personal insights, refine the language, and sell on platforms like Gumroad, Amazon Kindle, or other digital marketplaces. Printables and templates. AI can generate planners, coloring pages, social media templates, or worksheets that can be sold repeatedly without additional work. Digital art or music. Use AI to produce unique artwork, patterns, or beats, then sell them on platforms like Etsy, Bandcamp, or stock libraries to a global audience. The advantage of digital products is that once created, they can generate passive income indefinitely. One effort today can continue earning for months or years with minimal maintenance. With creativity and marketing, teens can leverage AI to build a library of products that consistently generate revenue while allowing more time for learning or other pursuits. Start a social media or YouTube channel. With AI assistance, AI can dramatically improve content creation consistency, which is essential for building an audience and monetizing online. Teens can create AI-assisted social media posts, TikTok videos, or YouTube content on trending topics, tutorials, or storytelling formats. Use AI to write video scripts, generate engaging thumbnails, or suggest creative video ideas. Repurpose AI-generated content across multiple platforms to maximize reach and audience engagement. Automate posting schedules with social media management tools to maintain a consistent online presence without daily manual effort. Over time, ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing can turn social media content into a sustainable income stream. AI reduces the time and effort required to produce high-quality content, giving you a huge advantage over competitors who rely on purely manual work. Consistency, creativity, and smart use of AI are the keys to long-term online success. Develop AI-powered tools or bots. For teens with a tech-oriented mindset, creating AI-powered tools or chatbots can be a highly profitable venture. Businesses increasingly need automation for customer service, social media engagement, and sales processes, creating a growing market for AI solutions. Chatbots build simple bots for websites using AI platforms. Even basic bots can automate inquiries, booking, or lead collection, providing measurable value to clients. Automation scripts. Teens can automate repetitive online tasks like data entry, social media posting, or email follow-ups, saving clients time and improving efficiency. The barrier to entry is relatively low. By learning a few AI platforms, understanding client needs, and packaging solutions that save time and effort, teens can secure high-paying gigs early. Early adopters of AI automation services often get repeat clients and referrals because businesses value efficiency and solutions that produce tangible results. Explore AI affiliate marketing and tools promotion. Many AI companies offer affiliate programs for promoting their tools. Teens can create review videos, tutorials, or social media posts highlighting AI products and earn commissions for every sign-up. Example: promoting AI content generation tools or stock AI image platforms. Build a small website or social media channel dedicated to AI tutorials and reviews. Combine with email marketing to capture leads and encourage conversions. Affiliate income allows teens to earn while learning marketing and business skills simultaneously. As your audience grows, commissions can scale significantly, often surpassing traditional teen jobs in both potential and flexibility. Invest in AI knowledge and courses. The fastest way to stay competitive is by continuously learning. Teens can invest time, not necessarily money, in understanding AI, prompt engineering, coding basics, or AI-driven business models. Free resources include YouTube tutorials, online forums, and documentation from AI platforms. Paid courses can accelerate learning and open doors for freelance or entrepreneurial opportunities. By mastering AI skills early, teens position themselves ahead of peers entering the job market. Knowledge is the most valuable asset when it comes to leveraging AI for income, career advantage, and long-term opportunities. Tips for staying safe, ethical, and legal. While AI opens opportunities, teens must follow ethical and legal guidelines. Avoid plagiarism or using copyrighted material without permission. Be transparent with clients about AI involvement. Respect privacy and data security when using AI on real projects. Don't oversell skills. Start with small projects to build credibility. Following these principles ensures long-term success. Reputation matters more than instant profit, and ethical practices attract higher-paying clients and recurring business. The mindset for AI success as a teen earning with AI isn't just about knowing tools. It's about mindset, curiosity. Always experiment with new AI capabilities. Discipline. Dedicate consistent time daily to practice, create, or offer services. Adaptability. AI is evolving quickly. Stay updated and pivot strategies when needed. Problem solving. Focus on solutions AI can provide for businesses or individuals. Mindset separates teens who dabble from teens who build real income streams. Approach AI as a tool, not a toy, and you can start building a financial foundation while still in school. AI isn't waiting. It's here, reshaping the world, jobs, and income opportunities. Teens who act now can gain skills, earn money, and create financial independence years before most adults even start. Start small, experiment, and stay consistent. Combine creativity, learning, and AI tools to build real-world value. If you found this guide helpful, comment below with which AI method you're trying first, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides to mastering AI, earning income, and staying ahead in the digital economy.